Are you a homeowner or a commercial property owner? Do you feel like your property taxes are too high? If so, you're not alone. Property taxes can be a significant expense, but do you know that you have a right to appeal your tax assessment? Hey everyone, I'm Pollock with Fausone, business and real estate attorney. In this video, we'll explain if a property tax appeal is necessary and how it can potentially help you save money on your taxes. Let's start by reviewing your tax assessment notice. Every February, you'll receive a notice of assessment that outlines the assessed value of your property, which should be 50% of the true cash value or market value of the property. The taxable value, on the other hand, is the third amount, which can be up to the assessed value, but not higher, and it only increases year over year at 5%, and it's capped at that. Secondly, it's important to ask yourself, is an appeal appropriate? If the market value of your property is lower than what was assessed, then your property may be a good candidate for an appeal. It's a good idea to start with a call to the assessor prior to filing an appeal, as they may offer an explanation as to the valuation, or they may find a mistake in your assessment notice. Once you decide to move forward with an appeal, you'll need to gather the right documents. The primary document that you'll need is an appraisal or a comparative market analysis done by a real estate professional. What this does is evaluate the market value of your property. You'll want an appraisal that shows a value lower than the true cash value assessed for your property. Now remember, the true cash value is 2 times what the assessed value is. Other documentation may include insurance documents, sales comparison approach for valuation, documents regarding your local neighborhood changes that may have negatively affected the value, those types of things. For commercial properties, it can be a little bit more complicated. There's other valuation tools for commercial properties that you can use, such as income capitalization approach, cost approach, different changes to the business that can affect the profitability of the business. Capital expenses that are needed for the property that are unknown to the assessor, or change in use of the property that shows the value has declined. And lastly, you have to be aware of the deadlines for the appeal process, as they are very strict. The Board of Review usually meets in March at the local level, and you'll need to file a petition to appeal with your local municipality. That municipality may schedule an appointment depending on the municipality. If the Board of Review doesn't provide a decision in your favor, you can then appeal to the Michigan Tax Tribunal by July 31st of the same year for residential properties and May 31st for commercial properties. For residential properties, you'll need to weigh with your attorney's help whether you want to file in the small claims court or the Michigan Tax Tribunal of the entire tribunal. This may be a cost-benefit analysis because the fees are a little bit different for each court. I hope this video gives you a better understanding of property taxes and whether or not your property may be a good candidate for a property tax appeal. If you do decide to move forward, it's always best to work with an experienced real estate attorney to ensure that the process runs smoothly. If you want to discuss your potential case with a free consultation, give us a call here at Fausone. My direct line here is 248-912-3213. Again, I'm Pollock, real estate and business attorney at Fausone LLP. Thanks for watching.